Audio Jungle.
Hi everyone. So we are discussing about the trigonometric ratios, right? So today trigonometric ratios of specific angles, right? So the values of the trigonometric ratios for the specific angles, right? Before going to find these all the values for the specific angles, so let us observe the relationship between these all the trigonometric ratios. So we have the 6 trigonometric ratios. So let us observe the relationship between them, between the 6 trigonometric ratios, right? So we have the reciprocal relation, nothing but that multiplicative inverse, right? So sine is related to cosec, right? Sine is equal to 1 by cosec, we can know, right? Cos theta is 1 by sec theta, tan is equal to 1 by cot theta, right? We know that reciprocal relation. Another relation is complementary relation, right? So complementary angle relation. So let us observe that. So we know cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, right? So cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. So once observe here, 90 minus theta and theta are both complementary angles or not, right? So if you know the sine values for any angle, for that complementary angle of cos value is both equal or not, right? So nothing but, for example, cos 0 if you are taking, that will be equal to sin 90 or not, right? So theta here we are taking 90 degrees, nothing but 90 minus 90 is 0 we are getting, right? So cos 0 is sin 90. Same like that only, cos, if you are taking 30, then that will be equal to sin 60, right? So next, cos 45 will be sin 45, then cos 60 will be sin 30, and then cos 90 will be sin 0, right? So by this we can understand that the cos values all are depending on the sin values. Yes, right. So first of all we have to know the sin values, right? This one relation we got now, and next we know that anyway tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. If you know sin value and cos value, we will get the tan value also, right? So anyway we can understand that now cos value also depending on the sin values, even tan theta also depending on the sin and cos. Anyway cos is depending on the sin, nothing but this cos and tan values are depending on the sin theta or not, means sin values. And anyway we know that cosec is directly depends upon the sin value, sec again will get from the cos value, again cos is dependent on already sin, so cot anyway will get from the tan. Okay, so that is nothing but cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So by observing these all the relations, we can understand that remaining these 5 trigonometric ratios are, some are directly and indirectly depending on the sin values only or not, right? So if you know the sin values for this specific angles, we can find the remaining trigonometric ratios for different specific angles or not, right? So that sin values we can get by one logic for these all the specific angles, right? We can say that also a trick also, right? So what I am doing here, from 0 to 4, I am writing continuously for these all the specific angles, right? Here I am taking 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. So it is a trick. From 0 to 4 I am writing continuously for the specific angles. These all the angles we already wrote in the ascending order, and these numbers are also you have to take in the ascending order only from 0 to 4. So now divide all the numbers with 4. Right, 4 by 4 by 4. Right, now take the square root for all the values. Okay, so these are only the values, of sine for the specific angle. Okay, right, now take here 0 by something is it but always 0 only, nothing but sine 0 is 0. Right, now see here 1 by 4, square root of 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 only, square root of 4 is 2, so 1 by 2, anyway square root of 1 is 1 only. Right, next, so sine 30 is 1 by 2. Right, so now here 2 1s are 2 2s are, we can make cancel. Right, so in the numerator 1 only there, square root of 1 is 1 only, square root of 2 is root 2, 1 by root 2. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Then sine 60. So in the numerator 3 is there. So root 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Right. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So then 4 by 4 is nothing but 4 get cancelled. So square root of 1 is 1. Okay. So from this relation, now observe here, from this relation cos 0 is equal to sine 90. So whatever the sine 90 value we have, that is only directly equal to cos 0 or not. So 1. Why? Because complementary angle relation. Right, next cos 30 is nothing but sine 60. Right, so cos 30 is sine 60, that is nothing but root 3 by 2. And cos 45 sin 45 both equal at same angle. Right, so cos 60 is nothing but sin 30, that is 1 by 2. So cos 90 is nothing but sin 0, that is nothing but 0. Right, otherwise directly you can remember that these all the values we have to write in the reverse. Right, 1 root 3 by 2. Reversely we have to write all the values. Now tan is nothing but what? Tan is nothing but sine by cos. Now we have to divide these values at specific angle, we will get the tan values. So tan 0 at 0 angle we are taking sine 0 by cos 0, nothing but 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. Right, tan 30 sine 30 by cos 30. So 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So fractions, division of the fractions. So denominator get cancelled. So it will be in the numerator, root 3 will be in the denominator will get. So 1 by root 3. Right. So same fractions at 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 get cancelled means the value is 1. Now here also denominators are cancelled means we will get the root 3. So 1 by 0, tan 90 we are finding, sin 90 by cos 90, 1 by 0, division with 0 is not defined. So not defined. Right, next cosec theta. Cosec theta how we will get? 1 by sin theta. So from here all the values will get or not? So at specific angles take the reciprocals of these. So cosec at 0, so 1 by 0 is nothing but undefined again, division with 0, undefined. Then cosec 30, so 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2, 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2, root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. Right, so then 1 reciprocal is 1 only. Then sec theta, how we will get the sec theta? 1 by cos theta, reciprocal of the cos theta. So take these all the reciprocals from the cos theta, right? So 1 by 1 is 1, root 3 by 2, reciprocal is 2 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. Again, division with 0 is not defined. Okay, so cot theta will get reciprocal from the tan theta, right? So reciprocal of 0 means 1 by 0 not defined. Then 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 3. So 1 by 1, 1. So 1 by root 3. So not defined is nothing but actually division with 0. So if you take the reciprocal means the answer will be 0. So by using the small trick, so actually why? Because these all the values are sine values, that you will get for the sine values, these sine values. So remaining all the 5 ratios are depending on the sine values. By using like the relations, we are finding sine values by using one small trick. By using those values, remaining all the values are also we can find.